Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial by Shayna's Home DIY and Crafts. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to style your coffee table or how I style my coffee table for Christmas. Now, I do not like a lot of things on my coffee table, so this tray will do it all. I always have just one tray on the coffee table and this will do it. Now, if you're interested in knowing where I got this coffee table from, I made it. Okay, and I will have in the iCard above and in the description box below the video of how I make this table. So I have my tray. I put some white fabric that I have leave over from cushions that I've made a few years ago, and I use that as a base so it could act like snow. Okay, so then I have 3 small Christmas tree that I got from the Target dollar spot a few years ago, and I'm using a bigger one and 2 small ones that stand beside it. Then I use my coaster. I have like 4 coasters here. They're all marble, and I kept them in this tray just in case you want to sit and have a drink at the table. You have a coaster so you won't put your cold drink on the table. So I'm using a few little Christmas houses I have. I don't remember where I got these. They're old. I have them for a while now. So I'm just going to put those inside of the tray. And then once I feel like it looks like how I want it and I like it, then I'm going to leave it there. So that's how I do. So this is like real time and live of what's going on. So here I have my candle, and I kind of DIY the cover of my candle. I felt like it was bare or it was too plain. So I kind of like put a piece. I have extra picks around the house, tons of picks. So I kind of like hot glue it to the top of the candle, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. I got these candles from Target. They were on sale, and let me tell you, only if you could smell the smell of this candle through the house. Now I have a little bit of bead thing. I just always have this bead thing on the tray. I never take it off because I feel like it matches the tray. It has that gold and white like the tray does. And I think I got this tray, I don't know, a few years ago from, I want to say either Marshall or TJ Maxx, one of those stores. So I'm just going to use my little bead, wrap that around the candle. Like I said, it's always on the table because it matches the tray. And that's just it. I like my table to be plain, especially with all those. I don't like too much clutter. Okay, so that's just me. I mean, this is an easy way of styling a tray. It's up to you how you want to do yours, but this is just how I do mine, and I'm sharing my idea with you guys. Okay, so all I'm doing, I'm just playing around with everything just to make sure it's okay. And I'm sure that somebody's gonna come in and said, honey, you do not like clutter, but that tray is filled. I know it. I know somebody's gonna say that, but it's filled in my eyes because it's just the tray that's filled and the table is empty. And let me tell you, this table is a big table. Okay, so yes, it does look, and I don't want it in the center. Somebody's gonna say put it in the center. I do not want it in the center because I want to be able to see my TV. So here is the overall look of what it looks like. Yeah, so there's a lot of trees going on, and I want it to look like a little forest because I want it to kind of like look like my house. It's me and my neighbor. My neighbor is in the front, I'm in the back, and all these trees. Literally, that's how my house is where I live at. There's a bunch of woods and trees, and I have a neighbor, and she is in the front, I'm in the back. So this is literally a perfect example of me and my one little neighbor I have there. That's that's it. So this is just how the overall view of it looks. So yeah, if you like this little video, just go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave and turn your notification bell on. Therefore, you can be notified every time I upload a video. Okay, so now with all that have been said, you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Until next time, be blessed and bye for now.